In 1998, the Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded for a discovery most people have still never heard of. Not a drug, not a gene, a language. The one your cells use to speak to each other. It is one of the most established facts in modern biology, and for almost 30 years it has sat just out of public view. Consider the human body at rest. It appears still. It is not. Inside it, trillions of messages pass between cells every second. Repair, defend, stand down. A conversation of extraordinary scale, conducted entirely in silence. With age, the conversation quiets. The cells remain, the messages weaken. Much of what is called aging is, at the cellular level, simply this, a signal, growing more and more faint. The idea is not new. In the early 1980s, the pharmacologist Robert Furchgott found that the lining of a blood vessel releases a signal he could not name. Louis Ignarro identified it. Not a nutrient, not a hormone, but something far less expected. A reactive molecule the body makes to carry a message, then lets vanish. The finding earned Furchgott, Ignarro and Ferid Murad the Nobel Prize and opened a field of cell signaling. 4 decades, more than 10,000 peer-reviewed papers, all pointing to a single conclusion, that beneath everything we call life, this quiet signal is running everything. And yet the science remained in the laboratory. Scientists soon discovered that these signaling molecules do not last. Outside the body, they survive for seconds. Exposed to air, they collapse. They could be observed. They could be measured. They could not be held. The knowledge existed. A vessel to carry it did not. The problem was solved not by a scientist, but by a former food executive named Verdis Norton, who funded the work when others had abandoned it. The method they patented is disarmingly plain: water and salt, restructured into the same signaling molecules the body produces on its own. Stable, drinkable. In 2009, the first of it shipped under the name ASEA. Strip it back and it comes to this. The body is not missing an ingredient, it is losing a signal. But for the first time, that signal can be restored. But don't take that from me. I've only laid out the record. The studies are named for a reason, so you can find them. The numbers are published for a reason, so you can check them. You've seen the science. You've seen the breakthrough. The next step is yours.